Session 7, the spaciousness of just sitting. This week we've been learning the mindfulness of breathing, beginning with posture, then focusing on the breath, then focusing and learning about redirecting our attention away from the wandering mind to anchor our awareness in the sensations of breathing, to move from a doing to a being mode of mind, from a thinking, imagining mode of mind to a sensing, being present mode of mind. In today's meditation, we're going to emphasize the last stage of the practice and the spaciousness that can come simply from sitting still. And our posture is really important, that we're sitting with a strong, present, upright, awake posture, but also having this attitude of allowing whatever is there to be there. So if you notice that you're getting caught up in something, a thought, a sensation, an emotion, you recognize that and let it go and broaden the attention again simply to the posture, simply to the stillness of the posture. So let's move into the practice. You can close your eyes. Feeling the contact of your body with the ground. Feeling the cushion, the support of the chair. Awareness of your spine and posture. There's a sense of the body being in a strong, wakeful position. Shoulders relaxed, releasing any tension you may feel in your belly. You can ask yourself the question, what is present for me now? How does my body feel? How is my mood? Is it quiet, calm, pleasant? Do I feel stressed, overwhelmed? Is your mind busy with thoughts? What is here? What is present? And step 2, feeling the breath in your body. Becoming aware of the sensations in your belly and abdomen. Feeling the breath in the core of your body. Feeling how the belly expands when you breathe in. The abdominal wall contracting as you breathe out. A spotlight trained upon the sensations of breathing. Has your mind wandered? Are you thinking about something? Let's gently return your attention to feel the breath in your body. Are you lost in thought? It can be helpful to label the thought. Worry, for example. And then gently return your awareness to your breath. Stage 3. Just sitting. Letting your awareness of the breath recede into the background. Now the intention is to simply sit still, to have an awareness of your whole body. Your posture, a floodlight of attention. Connecting with that sense of stillness and spaciousness sensations of grounding, your posture upright and awake. Notice if you're getting caught up in a thought or a sensation. Maybe there's pain in your body. The invitation is to notice that, to let it go, to allow space to return to the posture. And bringing your practice to a close, you can open your eyes. So in this practice, we're developing our capacity to work with patterns of reactivity, of pushing away what we don't like, of holding on to what we do like. And we're trying to find a space where we are more easy with life as it is. We're not clinging to things so much. This really is at the heart of the mindfulness tradition. An image that is sometimes used is if you take a spoonful of salt and you mix it in a glass of water, that glass of water will be very difficult to drink. But if you mix it in a bucket of water or an ocean of water, you're going to be able to drink the water without any difficulty. And that's what this posture is in many ways. It's about sitting still, letting all of the storms and the chaos begin to fall away, so we're not just caught in patterns of reactivity, that we can find our stillness and we can learn to be with our experience as it is. And the interesting thing is that when we can do this, a sense of spaciousness, of easiness begins to naturally emerge. Thank you.